Hello, I'm Daisy. I'm the in-house nutritionist with Beauty & Go, and today I'm going to tell you all about our new product, the Beauty & Go Skin Shot. So I'd like to tell you about some of the ingredients. First of all, we've got macro-antioxidants, which are our star ingredients. And these are more powerful and larger version of the typical antioxidants we get in our diet. So they're extracted from the peel and the skin of the fruit, so we don't normally eat them. And this is actually where you find the majority of the fruit's antioxidant capacity. So they will have much more powerful, much more long-lasting effects than the regular antioxidants we get from foods. Next, we've got a wonder ingredient for skin called pycnogenol. This is an extract from the bark of French pine trees, and it works by binding to the structural proteins in our skin, so the collagen and the elastin, and preventing these from being broken down. So through this, it will help maintain the condition of the skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and keep the skin looking young. Double the collagen, so 5 grams of collagen. And this is in the form of collagen bioactive peptides, and these are fragments of collagen which are much more easily absorbed and exert their actions in a much more powerful way in the body. Hyaluronic acid, which helps the skin to hold on to moisture, so keeping the hydration levels up. Zinc, the mineral, which is very good for skin healing and repair. Biotin, which is one of the B vitamin group, and this helps to improve the condition of skin and nails. And then we've got some lovely food ingredients such as turmeric, pomegranate and cocoa, which are all very high antioxidant foods. So all of these ingredients work together in the body to feed the skin from within and improve the condition and the health of your skin.